Well, it is ironic that this is the day of the heroes, National Day of the Heroes, and we are talking about people instead of dying for the Filipino people, they are living off the Filipino people. That's what's significant to me.
Tayo po ba may inaasahan pa talagang pagpapasok?
Of course, ang Pilipino ba naman?
But some are calling for the resignation of all leaders. What's your take on that?
Well, you have to always talk about the costs and benefits of each move. And I think calling for the resignation of President Marcos without calling for the resignation of Vice President Duterte will leave us. If we don't do that, we are left from the frying pan into the fire. So let's just not do it. No, there's so many other things we can do.